All right. So today what y'all are going to do is you're going to open up Desmos if I'm signed in. So you're going to open up Desmos and make sure that you go to student.desmos. Don't just click on the link. Okay, so go to student.desmos and you're going to look at the following graphs and notice and wonder something and write it down here. Okay. Create pairs of cards that show images of inverses of each other. So really quick, what is an inverse? So an inverse is where you switch your X and Y. Okay, so for instance, if I had in the original graph, if I had -2 and -4, so this pair right here, in the inverse, I'm gonna have -4, -2. So I would pair those together because they would be inverses of each other. Okay, so when I look on, let's say like the graph, I'm gonna look for the point -4, -2. Okay. Back to it. Okay. All right, so what you're gonna do now is you're gonna create a table and graph the inverse of the function. So basically you're gonna switch your X and Y. Okay, so this will be 5, -4, 1, 0, 2, 2, which will look the same, and -7, 5. Okay, so you're going to graph that table. Okay. On the next one, the graph below shows the relationship between degrees in Fahrenheit and degrees in Celsius. So graph the inverse. So again, you're going to pick a couple of points and you're going to switch your X and Y and then graph it here. Okay, so how can you recognize a relationship from a table or graph? So you're going to write out a summary right there. All right, so that's all you got to do for the Desmos. And don't worry about these documents. So again, just completing that Desmos. If you're missing any work or you didn't get to something this week, that is what you're working on. But make sure that you got all of your stuff turned in. If you're missing a test, you need to come see me. If you need to turn something else in, come see me. And then I will see y'all or talk to y'all next week. Couple of things. We're almost done with this unit. So we've got a couple more days to complete. We've got about 3 more days. So with that being said, your test, and I'll write this on the board when I go up there today. Your test for this, we're going to try to shoot for Wednesday. Actually, let's do Thursday because I'll see you all on Thursday. Okay, so let's shoot for Thursday. So this is going to be the Unit 7 test, which will help replace, theoretically, if you did the assignments, it'll help replace that unit. I think it's like homework 3, assessment 3, and something else. I think it was like notebook check 3 that everyone keeps asking me about. It should help replace this one. Okay, so next week, Thursday, we're going to take a test over all this stuff. I'll get you a review guide very shortly, and then we'll go from there. All right. Y'all have a great day.